Anything type beats on the beat, bitch. Who the fuck is calling me?
Playing League of Legends cause my dad don't love me. Fully through a high school, everyone would shove me. I like girls a little bit, but penis is so lovely. I might come married down, but you dressing so bummy. Bummy. I ain't never showered, but I still attract the honeys. Bitch, I'm like a pirate, cause my Glock is a musket. Jada Rulo with the bitches, got 'em with the trumpets.
Yeah, the drums they swing low, and the trumpets they go. And the trumpets they go.
Dry roasted peanuts are my favorite snack to try. I like male booty, it's so sexy I can lie. Hellcats and hot guys might be my demise. I'm dropping on my bread on music cause I see the prize. Tron with the bitches, had blood prints. She licking on my toes cause she got weird kins. I skinned a hot for cow for the furthest on my mink. My toilet wasn't working so I pissed up in the sink. Hold up, come on back it up. Big dick, so I lick it up. Couch chair, I had to kick it up. Upside down, so you know I had to shit it up. Get it up, with my ops you know it's mandatory. Devious, I only post her on my private story. You try to take my lean, I pop my Glock, it's getting gory. Dumb bitch, dumb as fuck, we call her Finding Dory. Oh, we call her. I make shitty music, but the crackheads know my shit is gas. I saw a old lady, so I popped up with my shiesty mask. We ain't take his head out, but I had to chop his ball sack. She's all in my foreskin, but I had to hit you with the mat. Yeah, I hit you with the mat. Put the silencer up on my op, we playing Hitman. Dumped his body at a Wendy's, now we on a news cam. I just seen the finest girl, tell my homie scream Zam. Hey, Miller Fillmore boys on the track.